Certainly, John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States, was known for his eloquence and inspiring speeches. Here are some of his most memorable quotes.
Number 1. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Number 2. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Number 3. The rights of every man are diminished when the rights of one man are threatened. Number 4. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. These are just a few examples of John F. Kennedy's impactful words. His speeches continue to inspire people around the world. Top quotes of John F. Kennedy. Thanks for watching.